I hear it every single day. Am I too old for this? Has the digital world passed me by? In 2026, with headlines screaming about AI taking over, it's easy to feel 20 years late to the race. But here's the truth. The 20-year-old gurus won't tell you. The digital economy isn't begging for more tech-obsessed kids. It's starving for wisdom, judgment, and life experience. Building a business isn't about knowing how to code. It's about solving problems. You've spent decades learning to communicate, manage people, and spot a bad deal from a mile away. In 2026, those are high-value skills. While younger creators chase the latest viral trend, you have the patience to build a legacy. Our blueprint system isn't built on hacks. It's built on timeless business fundamentals you already understand better than most. If you're ready to see how your experience fits into the 2026 economy, join our community. The blueprint is waiting at dailyprofitsnow.com. It's time to stop asking if you're too old and start showing the world what you've learned.